الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أفلم يروا إلى ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم من السماء والأرض إن نشأ تخسف بهم الأرض أو نسقط عليهم كسفا من السماء إن في ذلك لآية لكل عبد منيب ولقد آتينا داود منا فضلا يا جبال أوبي معه والطير وألنا له الحديد أن اعمل سابغات وقدر في السرد واعملوا صالحا إني بما تعملون بصير ولسليمان الريح غدوها شهر ورواحها شهر وأسلنا له عين القطر ومن الجن من يعمل بين يديه بإذن ربه ومن يزغ منهم عن أمرنا نذقه من عذاب السعير يعملون له ما يشاء من محاريب وتماثيل وجفان كالجواب وقدور الراسيات أعملوا آل داود شكرا وقليل من عبادي الشكور صدق الله العظيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Distinguished guests, excellencies, industry partners, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and a warm welcome to the Velana Awards 2026. This beautiful event began with the beautiful verses of Holy Quran by Maryam Iba Muhammad Shiham from AOCS department. Well, in the midst of Indian Ocean, we gather in this small island state for a very memorable occasion this evening. I must say that. The Velana Awards 2026 is the first of its kinds, and we are all walking together to history all together. So I'm sure this is going to be a very beautiful evening in a beautiful ambience, and I hope, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, you all are with me. And also, I must say, this is live on the Public Service Media, PSM. So, audience, do stay with us. We have a very interesting evening ahead. My name is Mariam Bahida, and it is a truly pleasure and honor to serve as your Master of Ceremony this evening. Tonight, we gather here to celebrate excellence across the aviation industry and to recognize the partners who continue to connect the Maldives to the world through our Velana International Airport. May I kindly request everyone to be with us and also bring a very good vibe to this evening by cheering for each other. As the main gateway to the Maldives, Velana International Airport plays a pivotal role in tourism, trade, and global connectivity. The Velana Awards were established to recognize outstanding performance, strong partnerships, and shared achievements across passenger, cargo, and lounge. Usually, we don't talk about them very often. When we take a flight and when we go to the airport, sometimes we think how well things are arranged, isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, to formally welcome you this evening, it is my honor to invite the CEO and Managing Director of Maldives Airports Company Limited, Mr. Ibrahim Sharif Mohammed, to deliver the welcome address. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the very enterprising Mr. Ibrahim Sharif Mohammed.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala ashrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. MACL Chairperson, board members, esteemed airline partners, valued stakeholders, colleagues, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening, and I welcome you to the shores of the Maldives. It is my great honor to welcome you to the inaugural Velana Award ceremony. Tonight, under these stars, we come together to celebrate a shared journey, one defined by growth, partnership, and collective achievement. In the rhythm of our busy schedules, moments like these are rare. They remind us to pause, to appreciate, and to recognize the people and partnerships that make our success possible. The Velana Awards are more than trophies. They are our way of saying thank you for your collaboration, your commitment, your pursuit of excellence. This evening, we honor the partners who stand beside us every day, and we celebrate what we have built together. Operational growth is one of the most important measures of success. But for us, growth is not simply numbers. It's about the impact. Every new route opens a door. Every additional frequency strengthens a connection. Every improvement in service creates opportunity for our nation, for our tourism sector, and for the people of the Maldives. Each year, the government sets ambitious targets to expand tourism, the government to grow cargo operations, to strengthen our national economy. Meeting these targets requires more than aspirations. It requires strong partnerships with airlines that demonstrate consistent expansion, increased frequencies, and broader network coverage. We understand that partnership is a two-way commitment. We recognize that we have areas to improve, and we remain dedicated to learning, listening, and raising our standards in operational efficiency, service quality, and overall airport performance. This is truly a shared journey. When our partners grow, the airport grows. And when the airport grows, the nation prospers. Together, we are building a sustainable, progressive Maldives for its people. On the 26th of last year, on 2025, we opened our new passenger terminal at Velana International Airport. This is not only a construction milestone, it is a turning point, a statement of ambition, a foundation for the future. The new terminal delivers smoother passenger flow, strong operations, and the capacity to meet growing demand. We are already experiencing its positive impact and gives us confidence that our readiness for what lies ahead. Our progress has been guided by the vision and leadership of His Excellency, President Dr. Mohammad Moise. Under his direction, the development of Velana International Airport remains a national priority. Supported by a comprehensive master plan that aligns aviation growth with the expansion of a tourism sector. Velana International Airport is where ambition becomes reality. As the first and last point of contact for every passenger, every visitor, our airport shapes the first impression and the lasting memory of the Maldives. I sincerely thank our partners for their contribution in helping us reach these milestones. Our success is built on the strength of these partnerships. To our airline partners, thank you for your continued confidence in the Maldives and your commitment to growing connectivity. To our cargo partners and agents, I commend your resilience and dedication. And to our resort operators, partners, tour operators, travel agents, ground handlers, food and beverage partners, banking partners, telecom providers, and other service partners, thank you for contributing to a seamless experience for every passenger who passes through our gates. Looking ahead, I'm optimistic about the future. I'm confident that Velana International Airport will continue to play a vital role in advancing tourism and driving economic development for our nation. The Velana Awards represent appreciation. They recognize effort, dedication, and excellence. To all nominees and award recipients tonight, my heartfelt congratulations. To everyone who supports us and work alongside us, my sincere thanks. Let us now enjoy this beautiful evening together under these starry skies. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Ibrahim Sharif Muhammad, for that very pleasant and very inspiring words to all of us. Thank you very much indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed with the awards presentation, we invite you to reflect on the vision and spirit behind the Velana Awards. So may I kindly invite and kindly deviate your attention to the screen for a while. Thank you.
From the very beginning, our journey has been shaped by the heart, spirit, and warmth of the Maldivian people with a simple promise: to welcome the world. Welcome to Velana International Airport. This is the first embrace of the Maldives, the moment where anticipation turns into reality. Our network grew not just in size, but in purpose, connecting over 40 destinations, partnering with more than 45 global carriers, linking the Maldives to the world, through passengers, through trade, through trust. At the heart of it all are the people who make it possible. The airlines who believed in the destination, the partners who strengthened our network, and the teams on the ground who turn efficiency into warmth. Together, we continue to stand as the gateway to the Maldives. Recognizing excellence, honoring our partners, applauding the impact you create. Every year, you bring more connections, more confidence in our destination, and more opportunities for us to grow together. This is our way of saying thank you for carrying the world to the Maldives, for connecting our islands, for moving what matters, for elevating every journey. Because growth is not measured by numbers alone, but by partnerships built on trust, consistency, and shared ambition. Introducing the Vellana Awards, celebrating our partners.
That's a brief introduction to the Vellana Awards 2026. And we now proceed to the awards presentation, starting with our first award segment. For many visitors to the Maldives, arrival is only the beginning of the journey. Almost 50% of international tourist arrivals to the Maldives are connected to their final destinations through an efficient, reliable, and fast transfer network. Behind every one of these journeys are our domestic airline partners, ensuring smooth connections across the country. It is this contribution that we recognize as we begin our domestic airline award categories. And I think now I can hear the heartbeats and the excitement. So let me go ahead. The first award of the evening is Top Domestic Airline by Passenger Throughput. This award recognizes the airline that recorded the highest total passenger arrivals and departures in 2025. And the nominees for this award are
Top Domestic Air, Trans-Maldivian Airways,
And to present the award, may I kindly invite Mr. Mohammed Lamman, Deputy Managing Director, MSCL, on stage. And the top domestic airline by passenger throughput goes to Trans-Maldivian Airways. And thank you, and Mr. Mohammed Lamman will stay with us for the next award as well. Thank you, Lamman, for staying with us. And we now move on to the top domestic airline by passenger growth. This award recognizes the airline that recorded the highest year-on-year increase in passenger departures. And the nominees for this award are
Top domestic airline by passenger growth. Maldivian. Manta Air. Trans Maldivian Airways.
May I once again kindly invite Mr. Mohammed Lamman. And the top domestic airline by passenger growth goes to Manta Air.
You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. So beat it. But you wanna be bad, just beat it. Beat it. No one wants to beat it. Show it how funky, strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right, just beat it. Just beat it. Just beat it. Just beat it. They're out to get you, better leave while you can. Don't wanna be a boy, you wanna be a man. You wanna stay alive, better do what you can. So beat it. Just beat it. You have to show them that you're really not scared. You're playing with your life, this ain't no truth or dare.
Congratulations, Manta Air, and thank you, Mr. Mohammed Lamman. A great lounge experience doesn't happen in isolation. It is built through strong partnerships, shared standards, and mutual trust. The Lounge Award recognizes the airlines, travel agents, tour operators, and resort partners who have worked closely with us, supported our lounge services, and helped us consistently deliver a better experience for our passengers. Tonight, we are pleased to acknowledge and appreciate these valued partners whose collaboration has truly made a big difference. The Lounge Award is presented to the lounge partners with the highest guest volume, recognizing their valuable partnership and their role in enhancing the lounge experience for our guests. And we now present the Mamahi Partner Award. Travel agent and tour operator. This award recognizes the travel agent or tour operator with the highest guest volume to the Mamahi Executive Lounge. And the nominees for this award are
Mamahi Partner Award. Travel agent and tour operator. Avia Maldives. Intour Maldives. Pure Escapes.
And to present the award, may I kindly invite Mr. Ibrahim Toha, Managing Director, MNUTS, to the stage. And the Mamahi Partner Award, Travel Agent and Tour Operator goes to Avia Maldives.
Alegría y cosa buena, dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para dar la alegría y cosa buena. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
Now don't you worry about my boyfriend, the boy whose name is Vitorino. I don't want him, couldn't stand him, he was no good, so I... Now, come on, what was I supposed to do? He was out of town, and his two friends were so fine.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para dar la alegría y cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
Congratulations, Avia Maldives, and Mr. Ibrahim Toha will remain with us for the next award as well, and thank you very much for that. Yes, it's nice to hear the claps. Keep clapping. Continuing in this category is Mamahi Partner Award Resort. This award recognizes the resort with the highest guest volume to the Mamahi Executive Lounge, and the nominees for this award are
Mamahi Partner Award Resort, one and only Retira. Saniva Resorts, Maldives. The Nautilus, Maldives.
To present the award, may I kindly again invite Mr. Ibrahim Toha. And the Mamahi Partner Award Resort goes to Soneva Resorts, Maldives. And thank you, Mr. Ibrahim Toha. And let us now move on to the next award, Vilu Partner Award. This award recognizes the resort with the highest guest volume to Vilu Business Lounge. And the nominees for this award are
Vilu Partner Award Angsana Velaval, Javakara Island, Maldives. W. Maldives.
To present the award, may I kindly invite Mr. Ali Shakir, Group General Manager, MIC, to the stage. The Vilu Partner Award goes to Javakara Island, Maldives.
Babamızdan ele güne rezil olduk. Yeni adet gelmiş eski köye bak. Dostlar mahvoldu. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı derinden çıkaran, kaderim püskül belam yakalarsan. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı derinden çıkaran, kaderim püskül belam yakalarsan. Ocağına düştüm yavru, kucağına düştüm yavru, sıcağına düştüm yavru, el aman. Ocağına düştüm yavru, kucağına düştüm yavru, sıcağına düştüm yavru, el aman.
Congratulations, Javakara Island, Maldives, and Mr. Ali Shakir will remain with us for the next award as well. Thank you for that. We can see the smiles in the winners, and I'm sure the nominees are also smiling and clapping for them. We now present Coveli Partner Award. This award recognizes the airline with the highest guest volume to Coveli and the Lily Business Lounge. And the nominees for the Coveli Partner Award are
Coveli Partner Award. Emirates Award. Emirates. Qatar Airways. Singapore Airlines.
we invite once again Mr. Ali Shakir. The Coveli Partner Award goes to Emirates.
Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am
Congratulations, Emirates, and thank you, Mr. Ali Shakir. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and the audience watching us across the country, we have still very interesting awards ahead. But before we continue, we invite you to enjoy our traditional Boduberu performance by our estate security service. Please, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, give them a very good round of applause.
බත්තෙලිගාණ්ඩේ ගාමානිකුතින් වඳුආලං වලුතේරා
නිලමෙහි ජාහවැප්පුරැගෙන් නෙරුමාති හිඳුවාලි
බත්තෙලිගාණ්ඩේ ගාමානිකුතින් වඳුආලං කණ්ඩුතේරා
නිලමෙහි ජාහවැප්පුරැගෙන් නෙරුමාති හිඳුවාලි
බත්තෙලිගාණ්ඩේ ගාමානිකුතින් වඳුආලං කණ්ඩුතේරා
නිලමෙහි ජාහවැප්පුරැගෙන් නෙරුමාති හිඳුවාලි
ಫರುಮಾನುಗಾ ಫತಿರಿಯಾ ಬಂದಲಾಗೆನೆ ದುವಾಲಿ
අරුමානුගා පොතිරියා බදලාගෙනේ දුමානි
ತಿರುಂಬಾ ಕೋಳುಂ ನೆಕಿಯೇ ರಾಳುಂ ಮುಡಿಯೇ ಕೀ ತೆಮ್ಮಾಲಿ
මාකොළුම් දෙකියේ රාළුම් පොඩියෙකි තෙම්මාලි
ಇರುಸಿಗೆಂ ಕಣ್ಣುವಾಂದಿರಿಕಂ ದುನಿಯೇಯ ವೆರಿವಾಣಿ ಬತ್ತದಿಗಾಂಡೆ ಕಾಮಾಣಿ ಕುತಿಂ ವದುವಾಳಂ ಕಂಡು ತೇರಾ ಬತ್ತಲಿಗಾಂಡೆ ಕಾಮಾಣಿ ಕುತಿಂ ವದುವಾಳಂ ಕಂಡು ತೇರಾ ಅಸ್ತಾಮಗೆ ಸಿಸ್ಸುವಾಲಿ ಫೆನುನು ಮಂಜರುತಾಕುಂ
කාමාගේ සිස්සුවාලි පෙනුණු මල් සරුතාකු
ಮಸ್ಕಂಡು ಮಾತಿಂ ಫೆನು ಪಾರಿ ಫೆನಿ ಹೇ ಕೆಂಡೆ ಕೊಯಬುಮುಂ
කඩු මාති පෙනු පාරි පෙනිහේ කේඩේ කොයපුමු
ಮಸ್ಕಾಶಿ ಕಾಂ ಹುರಿಕೆ ಒಳುಬೆ ಎಂಬುರಿಗೆಂ ವೆಟ್ಟುಮುಂ ಬತ್ತಲಿಗಾಂಡೆ ಕಾಮಾಣಿ ಕುತಿಂ ವದುವಾಳಂ ಕಂಡು ತೇರಾ ಬತ್ತಲಿಗಾಂಡೆ ಕಾಮಾಣಿ ಕುತಿಂ ವದುವಾಳಂ ಕಂಡು ತೇರಾ ಗುಗುರಾವಿ ದಾತಿ ಮಥುರಾಲಿ ಫೆಣಾಕುಂ ಫಳುವೆರಿ ಕೂದಿನ್ನೆ ಕರುತ ಫೆಣಂಗಸ್ ಬತ್ತಲಿಗಾಂಡೆ ಕಾಮಾಣಿ ಕುತಿಂ ವದುವಾಳಂ ಕಂಡು ತೇರಾ ವಾಲಿ ಬತ್ತಲಿಗಾಂಡೆ ಕಾಮಾಣಿ ಕುತಿಂ ವದುವಾಳಂ ಕಂಡು ತೇರಾ ಹೇಲಾಣೆ ಮಸ್ವೆರಿ ಕಮೆ ದುವಸ್ವೆ ಹೇಲಾಣೆ ಮಸ್ವೆರಿ ಕಮೆ ದುವಸ್ವೆ ಓ ಹೇಲಾಣೆ ಮಸ್ವೆರಿ ಕಮೆ ದುವಸ್ವೆ ಪತಿಹ ಗೋವಾ ಗೋವು ಮುಗೆ ಕುರಿಗ ಪತಿಹ ಗೋವಾ ಗೋವು ಮುಗೆ ಕುರಿಗ ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಬಂದೆ ಪುರ ಬಿನಿಗ ಹೇಲಾಣೆ ಮಸ್ವೆರಿ ಕಮೆ ದುವಸ್ವೆ ಹೇಲಾಣೆ
Well, Maldives has a unique culture, and that was just a little bit of it. Bodoberu. Every island has something unique, and then this brought a festive vibe to this occasion, and I hope all your moods are lifted more higher to clap for the next awards. Well, we now move on to our second award segment, recognizing excellence in cargo operations and international passenger performance. Velana International Airport is increasingly positioning itself as a regional cargo and transshipment hub. In the past year, the airport handled close to 90,000 tons of cargo, supporting vital supply chains and global connectivity. Behind every one of those shipments are the airline partners we are about to recognize this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we now begin our cargo award categories. Nice, isn't it? The first award in the cargo category is Top Airline by Air-to-Air Import. This award recognizes the airline that recorded the highest volume of air-to-air transshipment cargo imported to Velana International Airport. And the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by Air-to-Air Import, Afcom Holding Limited, Singapore Airlines, Sri Lankan Airlines,
this award. May I kindly invite Mr. Abdullah Wahid, Chief Emergency Services Officer, MACL, on stage. And the Top Airline by Air-to-Air Import goes to Afcom Holdings Limited.
That you be up in here looking like you do. You make us staying over here impossible. Baby, I'ma say your aura is incredible. If you don't have to go, don't. Do you know what you started? I just came here to party, but now we're rocking on the dance floor, acting naughty. Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. We're hand in hand, just to trust, and now we're face to face. I wanna take you away, let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do, just keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music.
Congratulations, Afcom Holdings Limited, and Mr. Abdullah Wahid will stand with us here to give away the next award. Some momentous awards and vibes are still coming on. Just be with us. And audience, thank you very much for being with us. Stay tuned. Well, up next is the Top Airline by Air-to-Air Export. This is awarded to the airline that recorded the highest volume of air-to-air transshipment cargo exported from Velana International Airport. And the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by Air-to-Air Export, Aeroflot, Etihad Airways, Qatar Airways, Turkish Airlines,
May I kindly invite Mr. Abdullah Wahid. And the Top Airline by Air-to-Air Export goes to Qatar Airways. Congratulations, Qatar Airways, and thank you, Mr. Abdullah Wahid. Let us now recognize Top Airline by Sea to Air Export. This award recognizes the airline that facilitated the highest volume of sea to air transshipment cargo exports, enabling efficient multimodal logistics for the Maldives. And the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by Sea to Air Export, Etihad Airways, Qatar Airways, Turkish Airlines,
To present the award, may I kindly invite Mr. Ahmed Shafiz, Chief Technology Officer, MSCL, on stage. The Top Airline by Sea to Air Export goes to Qatar Airways.
I can see clearly when you're gone. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I just, hey, hey, hey. I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I hit the road in overdrive, baby. Oh, the city's
Congratulations, Qatar Airways, and Mr. Ahmed Shafiz will stay with us for the next award as well. Congratulations. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, can I kindly hear a round of applause for everyone? Just to get the vibe going. Yes, thank you for that. Very kind. We now present Top Airline by Cargo Throughput. This award recognizes the airline which provided the highest volume of inbound and outbound cargo in 2025. And the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by Cargo Throughput, Emirates, Qatar Airways, Sri Lankan Airlines,
invite Mr. Ahmed Shafiz. The Top Airline by Cargo Throughput goes to Emirates.
beat me, hate me, you can never break me, will me, thrill me, you can never kill me, sue me, everybody do me, kick me, catch me, don't you black and white me, all I wanna say is that they don't really care about us, all I wanna say is that they don't really care about us, tell me what has become of my life, I have a wife and 2 children who love me, I am the victim of police brutality, no, I'm tired of being the victim of hate, you're ripping me of my pride, for God's sake, I let the cabin do fulfill this prophecy.
Congratulations, Emirates. And Mr. Ahmed Shafiz will stay with us one more time. Kindly stay with her. Continuing in this category, we now present Freighter of the Year. This award recognizes a dedicated freighter operation that has demonstrated exceptional cargo performance, reliability, and contribution to air freight at Velana International Airport. To present the award, may I kindly invite Mr. Ahmed Shafiz. And the Freighter of the Year goes to FCOM Holdings Limited. Congratulations, FCOM Holdings Limited, and thank you, Mr. Ahmed Shafiz. What a beautiful evening. There's momentous awards and exquisite awards coming up. So, for the Maldives, global connectivity is the foundation of our tourism's success. We are the gateway to tourism here tonight. So we have to celebrate a lot of awards. I'm sure this is the beginning. So even tonight we have so many awards that we are recognizing, but I'm sure the next time it will be more and more. Today, over 45 international airlines connect the Maldives to destinations across the world. In 2025, a record-breaking year, the Maldives welcomed over 2.2 million tourists, each journey made possible by our international airline partners. And this evening, we proudly recognize their outstanding performance as we begin our international airline award categories. And we now present Top Airline by Passenger Throughput, Indian Subcontinent. This award is presented to the airline that recorded the highest total passenger arrivals and departures in 2025. And the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by Passenger Throughput, Indian Subcontinent. Indigo. Maldivian. Sri Lankan Airlines.
To present the award, may I kindly invite Mr. Jamil Usman, Board Director, on stage. And the Top Airline by Passenger Throughput, Indian Subcontinent, goes to Indigo.
Shake that.
In the club, party rock. Looking for your girl, she on my jock. Now stop when we in the spot. Booty moving weight like she on the block. With a drink, I got to know. Tight jeans, tattoo, cause I'm rock, raw. Half black, half white, diamond now. Gang of money, open up.
Yeah, I'm running through these halls like Drano. I got that devilish flow, rock and roll, no halo. We party rock. Yeah, that's the crew that I'm repping on a rise to the top. No letting our
Congratulations, Indigo, and Mr. Jamil Usman will stay with us. We now present Top Airline by Passenger Growth, Indian Subcontinent. This award recognizes the airline that achieved the highest year-on-year increase in the passenger arrivals, and the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by Passenger Growth, Indian Subcontinent. Fitz Aviation. Indigo. Sri Lankan Airlines.
May I kindly invite Mr. Jamil Usman. The top airline by passenger growth, Indian Subcontinent, goes to Fitzair.
E se muoio da partigiano, tu mi devi seppellire e seppellire lassù in montagna. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Seppellire lassù in montagna, sotto l'ombra di un bel fiore.
Congratulations, Fitzair, and thank you, Mr. Jamil Usman. Thank you very much. So tonight it's about travel, airlines, cargo. When you look at there, I'm sure we all feel like traveling. Up next this evening is the award for Top Airline by Passenger Throughput, East and Southeast Asia. This award recognizes the airline that recorded the highest total passenger arrivals and departures in 2025. And the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by Passenger Throughput, East and Southeast Asia. Air Asia. China Eastern. Singapore Airlines.
To present the award, may I kindly invite Mr. Ibrahim Mahudi, Board Director. And the top airline by passenger throughput, East and Southeast Asia, goes to Singapore Airlines.
Stood their ground. Tommy and Gina never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistake. Looking, even looking, gotta make your own breaks. It's my life and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live
Congratulations, Singapore Airlines and Mr. Ibrahim Mahdi. Thank you. Stay with us for another reward as well. Let us now recognize a top airline by passenger growth, East and Southeast Asia. This award recognizes the airline that recorded the highest year-on-year increase in passenger arrivals. And the nominees for this award are
By passenger growth, East and Southeast Asia, Air Asia, Batik Air, Singapore Airlines.
To present the award, may I kindly invite once again Mr. Ibrahim Mahdi. The top airline by passenger growth, East and Southeast Asia, goes to Air Asia.
No se pierde ni un party de marquesina. Se acicala hasta pa' la esquina. Luce también que hasta la sombra le combina. Asesina, me domina. Ande en carro, motora y limusina. Llena su tanque de adrenalina. Cuando escucha reggaetón en la bocina, ella le gusta la gasolina.
Dame más gasolina.
Le encanta la gasolina.
Dame más gasolina.
Ella le gusta la gasolina.
Dame más gasolina.
Le encanta la gasolina.
Dame más
Aquí yo
gasolina.
somos los mejores, no te me ajores. En la pista nos llaman los matadores. Tú haces que cualquiera se enamore cuando bailas al ritmo de los tambores. Esto va para la cata de estos colores. Pa' las
Congratulations, Air Asia, and thank you, Mr. Ibrahim Mahdi. We have come halfway through, and thank you, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Your presence, I'm sure, making a difference this evening. But before we continue with the evening's program, we invite you to enjoy a traditional dance performance by the talented Hiela Group. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause.
Saga femmi lo biva saga femmi lo biva saga femmi lo matin firala favatin saga femmi lo biva saga femmi lo matin firala favatin ehnas palaleve firuni mavida begulanta taraya shohua mole fatikolla gataluma bagiya ya bugiskama dives chale neetve rajega hedu mari cheruli sada hedum chale neetve rajega hedu mari cheruli sada hedum
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Maldivian women are unique. And what we wear during those days to even now, we have a unique way of dressing, and our traditional dresses are very beautifully woven, especially by women themselves. So that was just a little bit of that, just to make your evening more beautiful. Hope you all enjoyed that. We were dancing at the backstage. I hope at least from the back we can hear some good claps, yeah? Well, we now move on to the next set of awards. Our next award recognizes the top airline by passenger throughput, CIS. This award recognizes the airline with the highest total passenger arrivals and departures in 2025. And the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by Passenger Throughput, CIS. Aeroflot. Air Astana. Azerbaijan Airlines.
To present the award, may I kindly invite Mr. Mohammed Mihad, Chief Commercial Officer, MSCL, on stage. And the top airline by passenger throughput, CIS, goes to Aeroflot. Congratulations, Aeroflot. And Mr. Mohammed Mihad will stay with us for the next award as well. Congratulations. We continue the celebration with top airline by passenger. Yes, this award recognizes the airline that achieved the highest year-on-year increase in passenger arrivals. And the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by Passenger Growth, CIS. Aeroflot. Air Astana. Azur Air Russia.
To present the award, may I kindly once again invite Mr. Mohammed Mihad. The top airline by passenger growth, CIS, goes to Aeroflot.
If you feel like that's what you want to do, here come bad news talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap
Congratulations, Aeroflot, once again. And thank you, Mr. Mohammed Mihad. Please kindly stay with us for the next award as well. Oh, that was nice. They were dancing and coming. Congratulations. We now present Top Airline by Passenger Throughput, Middle East. This award recognizes the airline with the highest total passenger arrivals and departures in 2025. And the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by Passenger Throughput, Middle East, Emirates, Etihad Airways, Qatar Airways.
To present the award, may I kindly once again invite Mr. Mohammed Mihad. And the Top Airline by Passenger Throughput, Middle East goes to Emirates.
I'm rising so high, out of my mind, so let it rain over me. Ay, 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 let it rain over me. Ay, 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 let it rain over me.
Billy's a new million and Bowie's a new vodka, Lane's a new majority, ya tú sabes. Next step, la Casa Blanca. No hay carro, no vamos en balsa. Mommy, you know the drill. They won't know what I got till they read the wheel. I ain't trying to keep it real. I'm trying to keep wealth and that's for real. Pero mira que tú estás buena. Y mira que tú estás dura. Baby, no me hables más. Y tíramelo, mami chula. No games, you'll see.
Congratulations, Emirates, and thank you, Mr. Mohammed Mihad. Our next award recognizes Top Airline by Passenger Growth, Middle East. This award recognizes the airline that recorded the highest year-on-year growth in passenger arrivals. And the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by Passenger Growth, Middle East, Emirates, Etihad Airways, Fly Dubai.
To present the award, may I kindly invite Mr. Ibrahim Sharif Muhammad, CEO and Managing Director, MSCL, on stage. The Top Airline by Passenger Growth, Middle East goes to Etihad Airways.
Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Yeah.
Lose control, a body and soul. Don't move too fast, people just take it slow. Don't get ahead, just jump into it. Y'all hear about it? The P's will do it. Get started, get stupid. Don't worry about it, people will walk you through it step by step like an infant new kid. Inch by inch with a new solution. Transmit hits with no delusion. The feeling's irresistible and that's how we move it. Yo.
Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get stupid, get started, get started, get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started.
Congratulations, Etihad Airways. And Mr. Ibrahim Sharif Muhammad will stay with us for the next award as well. Up next this evening is the award for Top Airline by Passenger Throughput Europe. This award recognizes the airline that recorded the highest total passenger arrivals and departures in 2025. And the nominees for the award are
Airline by passenger throughput, Europe. British Airways. Neos. Turkish Airlines.
To present the award, may I kindly once again invite Mr. Ibrahim Sharif Mohammed. The top airline by passenger throughput Europe goes to Turkish Airlines. Congratulations, Turkish Airlines. And kindly, Mr. Ibrahim Sharif Mohammed will stay with us for the next award as well. Congratulations. And we now present the award for Top Airline by Passenger Growth, Europe. This award recognizes the airline that achieved the highest year-on-year increase in passenger arrivals. And the nominees for this award are
Top Airline by passenger growth, Europe. Austrian Airlines. Turkish Airlines. Virgin Atlantic.
To present the award, may I kindly invite once again Mr. Ibrahim Sharif Mohammed. Top airline by passenger growth Europe goes to Virgin Atlantic. Congratulations, Virgin Atlantic, and thank you, Mr. Ibrahim Sharif Mohammed. Thank you. Congratulations. What What a beautiful evening. After a lot of hard work, we really don't get to see always many people of here, I'm sure, always behind the scenes. And tonight on stage, with all the smiles and their team, celebration. So I'm sure it's a celebrative evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the most prestigious honor of the Velana Awards 2026, Airline of the Year. The Airline of the Year recognizes overall excellence across performance over passenger, cargo, and lounge at Velana International Airport. And the nominees for Airline of the Year 2026 are
Airline of the Year, Emirates, Etihad Airways, Qatar Airways, Singapore Airlines, Sri Lankan Airlines,
I can hear the heartbeats. Before we announce the winner, please direct your attention on the screen for a special tribute video honoring our outstanding nominees.
For millions across the world, the journey to the Maldives begins in the sky. Made possible by partnership and resilience of those behind every journey. Carrying passengers across continents, delivering cargo that supports our economy, and bringing the world closer to the Maldives. These 5 partners stood out in impact. In the story of our success, the sky is not the limit. It is the beginning. Tonight, we honor 5 outstanding partners whose dedication helped shape record-breaking years and elevated our nation's global presence. And one will be named Airline of the Year.
Let's have a round of applause for the nominees. To present this special award, may I kindly invite Ms. Aisha Noorain Jannah, Chairperson, on stage, and also accompanied by Mr. Ibrahim Sharif Muhammad, CEO and Managing Director of MSCL. That is our very promising chairperson. Exciting, isn't it? I'm sure everyone is waiting. The Airline of the Year 2026 goes to, I think the sting will be longer. Etihad Airways. Congratulations, Etihad Airways, and thank you, Ms. Aisha Noorain Jannah and Mr. Ibrahim Sharif Muhammad. Warm congratulations. Well done. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I know you all are waiting for dinner. Just give me a moment, but please join me once again in congratulating all our award winners this evening. Let's have a round of applause. Louder, yeah. Your achievements reflect excellence, dedication, and the strength of partnership that continues to elevate aviation at Welana International Airport. We also extend our appreciation to all the nominees. Your continued commitment and performance play a vital role in strengthening connectivity to the Maldives. Ladies and gentlemen, that formally concludes the Welana Awards 2026, the first of its kind. So as our MD said, on a starry night in a beautiful beach, we all were clapping for each other. So that's a big win as well. So on behalf of Maldives Airports Company Limited, thank you for joining us this evening and for your continued partnership. We wish you a very pleasant night ahead. And now, dinner is awaiting for all of you, but accompanied by live entertainment on stage by the Skyrock Band. So distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. And our wonderful audience, thank you for watching. I am Mariam, and I'm signing off for tonight. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.